come to restoration. So when we say restoration, it's something that we look forward to in life because we have felt as if something had been broken or something was lost. Maybe a part of us got hurt, lost a job, lost a loved one, lost a property, a business venture, an opportunity. Okay? And because of that event or experience, we felt that a part of us also got lost in the process. And because of that, we felt that I think there's a need for me to do some restoration, for me to have some restoration in it. Because something in me or a part of me got lost. And that's all right. It's okay to feel that way. I want you to honor that feeling because nothing is wrong with you. You are a human being who is going through that specific stage in life where things may not have been um, the way you have planned on things did not work out well, and that's fine. I want you to know it's not just you, but it happens to everyone. It happens to me. It happens to the person beside you. It's just that some people have not spoken their challenges. And sometimes we're just too caught up to ourselves, to our own head. And so we have a lot of stories in our mind. Okay? I hope this video would help you somehow. It's going to be short, but it's going to be profound. Imagine restoration. I just like you to pause this video for a while and just think of what you can say about this picture in front of you. Okay, pause this video. Okay, so I hope that you were able to analyze what restoration is, what's happening in this house, and somehow how it relates to your life, in our lives. So when we speak of restoration, it could be there's already a structure already in place, like this house. And it seems that they need to figure out a way to restore it back to its original shape, or maybe even improve its appearance, or even add some functionalities. Perhaps they would like to have additional rooms, or maybe remove some of the tiles, or have some paintings, new paint, a new color, have additional height, maybe make the structure stronger, put on some solar panels there, maybe some lights, additional lights, or have some fireproofing. Okay. So there are a lot of things that can be applied in restoration. And in our lives, it's the same way. Perhaps this house came came about to this kind of appearance because of something that happened, right? In the same way that in our lives, we might have gone through an event, a significant event that have changed the way we feel, the way we think, because it caused us, it caused us a significant uh, kind of a different kind of feeling, but it's very significant in the sense that we can really feel it in our bones. Maybe it's a lot of pain, maybe it's a lot of joy. And because of that, it has changed the course of our lives. It has changed the way we think and the way we feel, the way we relate with others, the way we perceive life. Okay? So it could be new and better. Definitely, it's not going to be the same. So, restoration, a lot of times, we look at that kind of house and we would, when we say restoration, it could be a better appearance, more functionality. It's the same with ourselves, okay, in our life. Perhaps there's a different perception, but definitely there's a different kind of feeling in ourselves. And when we have that kind of positive feeling, it goes outside, meaning it gets to reflect to our face, to our actions, to our words, and how we relate to other people. So when we are able to relate well with others, when we see things in a different lens, in a different perspective, which is of course positive note, more optimistic in life, and how we see life generally, we have been making some good restoration and some good transformation. It means we're stronger, we're better, we're more resilient because we've gone through restoration. We go to that certain kind of process that because of what was lost, because of what happened, it made us better individuals. Some of the areas of our lives are being restored. Our finances, our relationship with other people, our relationship with ourselves or our loved ones, business perhaps, the job, finances, health. There are a lot of restoration that can happen. And sometimes an area of our life, in terms of restoration, it's not just one area of our life that's being changed. When we change perhaps our health, our finances, our finances, our career, our businesses, our relationship with our loved ones will definitely follow also. They became a lot of better. When we are, when we have better energy, we have better nutrition, we sleep, we have enough hours of sleep, we have quality time with other people. Generally, the way we tackle work, we are more optimistic, we are more positive, we are more collaborative at work. With our relationship with our loved ones, we are more empathic, we can support more, we are more patient, okay? With regards to our finances, we are more capable of making good decisions, of spending wisely, of saving. So when we approach one area of our life, sometimes other areas of our lives are also fixed. Same goes with relationships. If we have fixed our relationship with someone, sometimes all our anxieties will also diminish, our health improves. And because we're inspired, we're strong, we're brave, we're optimistic, we're supported, then even our work and our businesses also thrives and also they became a lot better. Yeah? When I coached people and also had worked with a lot of professionals, also leaders and business owners, there's one culprit that I've seen again and again that really made them miserable and somehow some of the good things in life are slow to come in. And it's complaining. Complaining shut down the doors of opportunity, shall I say opportunities, and it may even close the current doors of blessings. What we appreciate. The more we are thankful, the more that we have gratitude, the more we see ourselves blessed and the more we give blessings to others. And in such, it's a cycle, then blessings come in our way. How we see the world, it's how the world will be. If we see the world as sad, it's how our world would be. And if we see things are not happening good, things are just not working well, we have lots of scarcity in mind, we become stingy, we don't give blessings to others, we don't help others, we don't serve others. That's the time we're too much consumed with ourselves. One key to having peace and happiness is to get out of our own mind and to think less of ourselves. If we can think of something right now that is beyond ourselves, look at what you really want in life, and that has a form of service to serve others in a way that can help you become happy. If we know that complaining is the number one culprit, the best antidote will be, I'd like you to guess, 1, 2, 3, right. That's gratitude, being grateful. And I hope you can exercise that starting today. Today we covered how restoration is and why doors of restoration may not be opening. But of course, there could be other reasons. So I hope that you can take a moment to really jot down and write something about what you have learned so far today, because this is really one key to your transformation. It can be a pivot to your own life. Turn your life around. You just have to watch this video again and really understand how it means in you, how it relates to your life, and what can you do to better your life. Thank you so much, and I hope that this video have helped you somehow. Take care and God bless. I want you to write down a valuable thing that you've learned so far in this session. So I will be also inviting you to goal setting workshop. It's something that's remarkable, it's something that's new and real, and it can really help you thrive this season and have a better life to achieve your goals, whatever that will be. Thank you and God bless.